everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with yet another video, you guys. I am trying to get this stuff under control. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sanaa. I am the owner and creator of So Crafty Sanaa. I am a budgeter, a cash stuffer. I am a planner. I am an all-around crafty person. If you're not familiar with my shop, check it out, socraftysanaa.com. I have all the budgeting tools and accessories that you need. Cash envelopes, cash envelope wallets, payday budget book, planner accessories, you name it. But we'll get more into that and this beauty right here, which is coming to the shop and my website in April. Okay, so this is my cash stuffing video. If you haven't checked out my paycheck budget video here, I will link that here. You can see that in the eye in the sky. That is where I am going through what I got paid, or what I do when I get paid, and how I allocate this money. And that gets me to where we are today. So I am going to be cash stuffing $635 between my wallet and some sinking funds and some saving challenges. I forgot to mention that. So let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my red pen and my blue pen, because I'm going to go through my wallet, see what money I have left over, and decide what I'm going to do with that money, if I'm going to roll it into buffers, if I'm going to roll it into savings challenges, or if I'm just going to let it remain in the respective envelopes. So me money has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. So I have $92 left in me money, and I am just going to write the 92 here. Okay. Dining out doesn't have any money. Car maintenance has $10. I can see that, $10. This is for tips at the car wash, and I didn't make it to the car wash. Gas is a sinking fund. I keep a balance. So let's see what we have. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, 51, 52, 53, 54. So I have $154. I keep a balance in here, so that will remain. Groceries, I spent my entire budget of $250. Household has, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. So I have $75 left in household. And I have $75 left in household. Let's see. Miscellaneous has nothing. Giving is a sinking fund as well. I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And I do have a plan for this money. So I have 125 in giving. And buffer is the envelope where any money that I don't spend and I take out, it goes into buffer. So buffer currently has 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So it currently has $64. Okay, so I don't anticipate needing anything. So what I'm going to do is me money is going to stay in me money, and that's $92. Dining out is not going to get any money. Car maintenance, I am going to take out the $10 for car maintenance, and I am going to write buffer, and I'm minusing the 10 because that money is going into buffer. So I'm just going to sit that there. Gas, I'm going to leave the $154 in gas. Groceries has nothing. Household has $75. So I am going to take out the 75. I'm going to put to buffer. I am going to minus 75, and that's going to go to 0. So I'm going to put that money into buffer. Miscellaneous has nothing. Giving is going to remain. And back to bank is money from my weekly expense video. If you didn't check that out to see how I settled out all of my weekly spending, I'm going to put that here, the eye in the sky. Check that video out so you can see my entire budgeting process on what I do and how I use all of the tools that are created to help me manage my money. So back to bank currently has $237. And Ramadan meals, this has $13, and that's for eating out during the month of Ramadan because we like to eat out. So let's see what we have here for buffer. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85. Okay. So I am going to write plus 85, and this is rollovers, and 329. Okay. Now let's add this money up. Okay, so now we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 48, 49. So we have $149 in rollovers, and this money can be used to cover any overages during the week. Now, if I feel like too much money is in rollovers, then I will either put it to savings challenges or debt payoff. Now, let's get into the cash stuffing. Okay, so I am going to be giving myself $50. That is a $50 bill. I'm sorry. I'm going to be giving $50 to me money because I just got finished. I don't know if I said it, but I like to spend money. So, but I budget the money to spend. So slow down, calm down, relax. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 135, 140, 41, 42. So I have $142 and I just added 50 and that is on 329. It's deposit. Okay, so $142. And if I don't spend it, it'll keep rolling over because one way or another it's going to spend. Now, I'm not going to be contributing to dining out because I am putting money in our Ramadan meals envelope during the month of Ramadan. So dining out is not going to get anything. I could take this out until Ramadan is over technically so that I'm not just having too many envelopes in there. So I'll take it out. Car maintenance, I am going to give as usual $10 for tips at the car wash. I do plan on going to the car wash. I love Betty Boop to stay clean. So I am just going to put that there. And you guys, I never keep expense trackers, but since I've been using this new style wallet, which I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek. I'm going to sneak peek y'all to death until the wallet launch. But I got to get the promotional materials out to you guys because I'm tripping. I'm really not promoting what I have here. So anyway, gas, I'm not giving anything to gas because I have $154. Groceries is going to get it's $200. Okay, so I'm going to put 50, 100, 150, 200 in groceries. And I am going to be cooking a lot more. Oh, wait, that's -7. I'm sorry. That went to buffer. Sorry. Okay, so let me write down this deposit here I'm putting in, and that's plus 200. And now I have 200. I have been doing so good with my cash spending, you guys, like so good. But I did buy some things that I didn't budget it for, like my red therapy light mask. Do y'all see it? Put it somewhere. I love it. Okay, so household is going to get $20. So I'm going to put $20 in household in anticipation for buying something. I don't know what that is, but I need to have it there just in the event of. I like to budget for unexpected or expected expenses. That's what it's all about. Miscellaneous, I'm not going to give any money to because, let me show y'all. I'm taking this one out too because I have buffer. So I'm not going to keep that in my wallet while I have buffer. Okay, so giving is going to get $25 because as I stated, I need to give this money away, and I will be doing that. So let me add the 25 here. And that's plus 25. Okay. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. So I have $150 in giving. Now, buffer, I do not contribute to buffer. Back to bank is money that I pulled from my cash envelopes to pay back any credit card spending I had to do. Ramadan meals is going to get $60. So what is that? 320s. Okay. So we currently have a balance here. So let's see what we have. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. So I have $73 and I added 60. And that is for eating out during the week. And we are approaching our last 10 days of Ramadan. So I won't be contributing to this once Ramadan ends. I will go back to my dining out envelope. So that is it. And let me let you all get a sneak peek of the Zippy wallet. There is a slot back there. You have more card spaces. I believe it has 22 card slots in all. But isn't she's beautiful, okay? And she's very nice and roomy, and she's not too big. Then you have the zipper pouch, flat pockets. Now, this is a sample, so there is another flat pocket on the final product, but there you have that. All right, so now I am going to go over to my selfie, my self-care, and I am getting ready because I need to keep at least $1,000 in here, because if y'all don't know, self-care is a big thing for me. So selfie is going to get $150. I have a hair appointment. Well, I will have a hair appointment as soon as I make it, but I need to have money at all times for that to cover my hair. So again, we are stuffing our cash envelopes for expected and unexpected expenses, both short and long term. So that is why we cash stuff. So nothing else in here is going to get any money. So let's move on to my next sinking fund, which is my household. And these binders are available as well on my website. And I have 4 different colors and they're beautiful. So we'll get into that in a sec. Home maintenance is going to get $25. Wait, I need change? Hold on. It says 25, but I don't have any 5s. Let me see if I have some 5s, you guys, because I hope I didn't do something wrong. So let me give change for a 10. Okay, and put that here, wherever. Let me make sure I just took that from the right envelope, 63. So I have a household sinking fund along with the household in my wallet, because I can build up more of a balance in my sinking fund binder versus, like, at one point I had like $1,500 in here. I don't want to walk around with that one in my wallet. So let's make sure that this is the right amount. Sorry, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. Yes. I just want to make sure I pull that money from the right envelope. Or I was putting it back in the right envelope, actually. Okay. So home maintenance is going to get $25. And I try to just keep this building for my lawn maintenance and any unexpected repairs, because they happen all the time. So 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 470, 480, 485. So plus 25, and that's $485 in home maintenance. I remember when I had like $6,000 in this envelope, okay? But things happen. Trust me, I done got a new heating system. I got a deck belt. So many things have happened. So many repairs, so many upgrades. Like, ugh. Okay, so then we're going to go over to house clean. And this is for my cleaning service. I am going to put 20. The price went up from $120 to $140. So I try to get it cleaned every 3 weeks. A good deep clean, actually. That's what it's for. But I'm reconsidering if I even want to continue doing that, because I need to just make the kids clean, right? They live rent-free, everything free. Household, I'm not contributing to the sinking fund because I put the money in my wallet. And so that is it for my home sinking fund binder, which is considered a priority, a high priority binder. Just, I know a lot of you refer to that. So I am now going to be stuffing my savings challenges, the fun stuff. Okay. So my $25 savings plan, 52 weeks. So it's $25 every week. And there is, as you can see, it totals it for you. Week 13, $25. That means you have $325. So, but before we do that, let me go to the back of the book where the savings challenges are. So 1 second. Okay. So we have, so it says that my $25, let me go to that. My $25 savings plan. Let me just move the book over. Okay. So it says I should be on week 13. So let's see. Am I on week 13? Yes, I am. So I'm going to take $25 and I'm going to put that there, and I'm just going to mark it off. Now, you don't need the actual worksheets to use the savings plan, because it totals it up on there. So you don't really need that. But these came with the book before these savings challenge binders were even created. So I am just going to get, let me get my marker. I am just going to get my orange marker, and I'm going to mark off week 13. Now, I use erasable markers, so when I want to use this, if I'm still using the book after I finish, then I keep using the same savings challenges. Okay, so now we have the 52-week $50, and let's see. It says that I'm on week 12, so let's see if I'm on week 12. Yes, week 12, which is going to be $600. Okay. So not bad, not bad. So I am going to put week 12 in there. And I do have the $10 and the $100 week savings plan as well. And those challenges are in the book also. So let me get the marker and I'm going to mark off week 12. So we can see what I have actually, because if we look at the savings challenges, it will tell us. So for instance, my 52-week $10 savings plan, because I have a $10 one as well, it says that I have, and let me see, to be honest, hold on. Just for kicks and giggles, let's see if I have the amount. It says I'm at week 16. So let's see. Got week 16. Yeah. So it says I have week 16. No, week 16 isn't marked off. So let me get my purple and mark week 16 off. Because you see week 16 is filled in. So I have 160 there. And let's see what we have for the $100. Now, I spilled coffee on my book, you guys, so I don't want to hear, oh, it looks a mess. That's because I spilled coffee, not because the book is like not flawless. Okay, so it says I have up to week 8 completed. So let's see. Week 4, 5, yep, week 8. So I need to put week 9 and yep, 800. So it keeps a running total. You can actually see what you save by looking on the trackers or just looking at the balances in the book. Okay, so you guys have stuck it out with me, but as I wanted to say to everyone, please, my mailing list is in the description box. Please join my mailing list so you do not miss the launch of the new wallet collections coming out. I have several colors and different leather materials. I offer sales just about every week, and I have everything that you need to get on your budgeting cash stuffing journey. But nonetheless, I am going to be having my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So you're going to need to join my mailing list in the description box below so you don't miss that giveaway, because it is going to be the bomb, you guys. And if you don't know, I like to give away very nice giveaways. So I want to make it, this is a milestone for me. It took me forever to get here. YouTube, I don't know what you're doing to my channel, but nonetheless, I am finally at that mark and I want to celebrate with everyone. So again, you guys stay tuned for my next video when I will be announcing what the giveaway gifts will be, how many winners there's going to be, but you're going to have to join that mailing list so you will be entered in the giveaway. So get a jump start on that. Get a jump start, join my mailing list, and stay tuned for everything So Crafty Sinai. Please stay tuned to my next video. Bye.